Okay, so today we're going to talk about a 2008 through 2014 cargo van sliding door that will not shut. So the cable broke in the car, was not able to close the door. So look here, there's a plate that goes over this. So it takes a T27 bolt to remove this cap, and once you remove the cap here, you can just simply push this and the door will shut. It was a pain. I had a smaller toolkit. It's a real pain to shut this door. You can see how it just basically unlatches this. If you got desperate, you could pry this, but you could do damage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the cable. Now, the cable cost 40 some odd dollars. I bought the whole entire bracket here, and I'm not going to replace it all, but I bought the whole entire bracket just in case one of the other cables break. But the cable that goes down to here and connects into here is this cable right here. So because I can't show it inside the door, I'm going to show you here. To remove the cable, you would have to take this here around like this, which is not going to be the easiest inside, and then pull to the side like this, and then it comes out. So what I'm going to do is remove the old cable that way and reconnect this cable. T27. Use a pair of vice grips just to keep this thing from going back in there. Oh, jeez. So to recap, I removed those two, and they're T27. All these are T27 hex. So remove the cover to get access, and I removed these 6 bolts to get access. The other thing I did, which if you can't see, if you look here, I removed the lock bar. And all you simply do to remove the lock bar is it's coming through here. You just push this plastic thing off the side and pull it through. That just gave me access when I swung this down. You can see where the cable had broke. The reason this cable wasn't working anymore is just this top piece broke here, and there was no tension, and that's why this cable fell through. But that's how you replace the cable. Again, the only reason I bought this whole entire lock thing was it was only $20 more than the cable to buy the whole unit. And I have multiple vans, so I just have spare parts. This is one of 2 vans that I own, so just have the spare parts around for the cost, and that's it.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.